Hello everyone, this is Tony and welcome to my channel, Rolling Faith. In this video, I do a little quick unboxing and a little quick setting up and putting together the roof rack that I'm putting on my Runaway. For the sake of time, I'm just speeding up the unboxing and the putting together just for the sake of not making this video too long. Putting it together did take some time. The instructions are horrible, the worst I've ever seen. And I think I did put a couple of pieces backwards, so I had to take it apart and put it back together again. But it's a fun little project to do with the family, and my wife and my daughter ended up helping me. As you saw, and I'll put the description again in the video. I purchased this from Amazon, and it's it's a pretty decent rack. They come in different sizes. The rack is made by a company called Racatone, and it's 8 inches high, and that's what I liked about it. It's 8 inches high, so you can put like a Home Depot container, like one of those black ones with like the yellow tops on top of the roof rack, and it'll hold pretty good. It's made of a sturdy high galvanized steel tubing with a standard black powder coating, and the roof cargo basket is weather resistant, and the roof rack is equipped with a steel windshield to minimize the drag and the wind noise, and also helps to protect the cargo from wind damage. It has a nice curved design on the cargo basket that prevents it from scratching and any type of like accidental injury, cutting yourself up when you're loading and unloading your cargo. It's definitely not I'm gonna say it's not that hard to assemble, but again, I put a couple things backwards because again, instructions are. If it had good instructions, it would definitely be easy to assemble. It's pretty universal. Again, it comes in probably about four or five, maybe even 6 different sizes. I got the 74 by 45 by 8 inches, and that fit perfectly on the Runaway, as you'll see in the video at the end of this. So please continue to watch to the end, so you can see the full-length video. Other than that, I drove it all the way from New York to Florida with no issues, and it had cargo strapped on top of it, and it held up pretty well. It looks pretty sporty on top. Again, made out of alloy steel, and you could use it on your car, SUV, and your even on the truck. Weighs about 45 pounds or so, and took 2 people to get it on top, but it can be managed with one. And as you can see, my daughter here in the end is helping me with some of the final installs. And then again, stay tuned, because you're going to see the final video of me with it installed. Here's the final product, the Racatone roof rack. I highly recommend it. Like I said, it survived a long trip from New York to Florida. It's a pretty decent rack, not that expensive. I paid $154 for it on Amazon, and again, I think it's pretty sturdy. Can store a lot. Only thing I have to say is the bolts that came with it were a little crappy. I had to get some longer ones from Home Depot, but other than that, it was pretty good. Doesn't matter.
Tony, make me laugh.
What's so funny? Just slide it in. Alright, I can't post that now.
No, you can't.
Don't touch the glass.
Like, help me, Mom.
Help me.
Black way first, don't touch the glass.
Okay.